This video demonstrates how to install or replace a Contact Smart Card encoder in the FARGO DTCii Instant Issuance Card Printer. Disconnect the power and USB cables. Remove the two screws from the back of the printer just underneath the top cover. Steady the printer by holding the door and then lift off the top cover. Remove the screw and retaining plate which secures the magnetic and contact encoders in place. The magnetic encoder is installed in the middle bay. The Contact Smart Card encoder is installed in the left-hand bay. Install the magnetic encoder in the middle bay. Install the Contact Smart Card encoder in the left-hand bay. Replace the retaining plate and secure it in place with the screw removed earlier. Replace the top cover, ensuring it is fully snapped home, and replace the two securing screws at the back of the cover. To see more technical videos, please visit our HID YouTube channel.